and welcome to the channel. I'm Jill. Here I do fashion, home decor, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, stick around and check out my content. And if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. And share it out. Tell a friend. If you are a styling stylist that's been with me for a minute or you're brand new, welcome back, family. Welcome back. So today's video is another collaboration. And this one is hosted by, forgive me, I'm going to look down. This one is hosted by Marilyn at It's a Cozy Lifestyle, and it's co-hosted by Phyllis at JRC Restoration. That I'll have both ladies' links in the description box down below. So make sure you check them out and check out the other participants. Now, what they're asking is that you decorate a bar cart or another space if you don't have a bar cart, because I don't have a bar cart. So you guys will see what I chose to do. But they wanted you to decorate a fall bar cart, and you guys, what I like was the little twister was they wanted you to include a fall drink. So I'm going to stop yapping and we're going to get into this. So I'll see you in just a second. Okay guys, so this is the area that I chose to decorate. It's going to be our bar area in our basement. And I wanted to try to keep it not too girly, kind of slightly masculine, just so the men will feel comfortable when they come down here. So let's get started. So you guys, this is my look for the fall bar cart. Well, in my case, the fall bar. So let's get closer. Okay, so this portion of the video, we were also asked to create a fall beverage. So I love trying new things, and when I'm entertaining, I try to think of my guests that partake of spirits and those that don't. So the ones that don't, I want to share this with you in case you plan on having some friends over. Keep it safe. Um, there is, and I did this at my last get together well, it wasn't last year, well, before COVID, uh, because I had guests that didn't drink. So I found this recipe, actually, a girlfriend. Hey, Ruth. Ruth gave me this recipe, and it is apple cider, and you put it in a crock pot, and you put red hots in it, the candy red hots. You guys, when I tell you, not only does it taste good, it makes your whole house smell good, but it is very good. My husband and I drink it on, those real cold days where you just want something warm. So try that. But for this one, I am going to make a apple mimosa. Yes, which calls for 3 parts champagne and 1 part cider. Well, I don't care for champagne. I'm trying to keep the reflection of the ring light out of my glasses. I don't care for champagne, so I'm going to use my favorite wine. You guys, this is my favorite wine. My husband and I celebrating my birthday. We found this wine at a restaurant, local restaurant, and I had to hunt this city down to find this. I only found it at one place, but now I have somebody else getting it for me. But anyway, this is Ruffino is the brand. It is Moscato d'Assant, or is it d'Assanti? I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but that's what I'm going to be using. So let's set this here, and because I'm trying to be girly, I'm going to serve this in a martini glass. So let me get a martini glass. We have our shaker. We have our apple cider. Okay, so let's start. And it's a screw-off bottle, thank goodness. So, what we're going to do is put, okay, so you guys know about these. This is like 2 shots. I'm gonna make it 4. And then it calls for 1 part apple apple cider. I think I'm squeezing the container too tight. What the heck, let's go and make it. Since we did 4, let's make this 2. So we can taste some of the apple. We're going to shake. 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 Woo! Uh-oh, I'm losing some of my stuff. My thing ain't not tight enough. So let's see. Hold on. You got to keep your... There we go. So let's try this again. Hope I didn't lose too much of it, honey. So I'm going to do it this way. Because the shaker is still fogging up. It's getting... Okay. So now, this is my stubborn shaker. Okay guys, here we go. I had to pry that thing off. So we're going to pour this in here. Oh, that looks cute. And just to be extra, because sometimes I'm a little extra, we are going to add let's add a cinnamon stick up in it. Okay, well, let's do a longer one. Wheel. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna bring you closer so that you can see. So this is our apple mimosa made with Moscato instead of champagne. Yes. So let's try. So let's see. Happy fall, you guys. That's good. So I hope you guys saw something that inspired you and motivated you to do good things. And you know what I like to always say, I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye guys.